is Gabriel Formica. I studied computer science at university and I did an English course when I was 11 years. Life in Venezuela has been always a bit challenging for all of the political and social crises we have around. Through the years you start seeing people like homeless people as usual, then you start seeing people really well dressed asking you for money, like the crisis is taking over little by little on everyone. And now it's even worse. If you Google right now top dangerous cities in the world, you're gonna get like 4 or 5 cities from Venezuela, and probably Caracas being in the top 2, 3. So yeah, it's really dangerous. The criminal rates are really insane. That's why as soon as I finished my study, I started applying somewhere else outside. After a couple of months taking telephone interviews, I decided to move to Europe. It was a good idea coming here to UK already because that really attracts more to the companies when you're already living here in London, right? But I didn't have the chance to speak English on a regular basis until I came here to the UK. I was always translating from Spanish to English, so that was a bit of a barrier for me. I remember when I was rejected from my first 10, 11 interviews, one of the things my recruiter said was, "No worries, Gabriel, we're gonna find you a job. Keep learning from the past interviews." One of the companies I was interviewing for, they said that it was impossible to understand my English. One of the things that clients ever said, maybe I should trying to speak a bit slower and control the nerves, because when you are taking an interview, you're really nervous, especially if it's an interview with a language you're not really comfortable with. I've got a first call with client server where I was interviewed and they were testing some of my technical skills. I understand why this needs to be done because it's a way of filtering, it's a way of making sure that they're putting out there the right person to take interviews with these other companies. I'm really excited about my future. Currently I'm working as a full stack developer. A really great opportunity not only to grow economically but also professionally. And my colleagues are supportive, smart people, the kind of people you're always going to be learning something, and the kind of people you always want to, go out to have a beer as well.